Good evening, students. Now I have a problem with me. So let me read out the problem. The sum of second and fourth terms of an arithmetic progression is 22. So let me write a solution or answer. See, let us understand line by line here. Sum of second and the fourth terms of an arithmetic progression is 22. Here second term can be written as a plus d, and fourth terms, see, the sum means plus here, sum of second means it is a plus d. Then as it is given sum of second means it is a plus d, and the fourth terms means again it is sum only. Fourth terms means a plus 3d, that is equals to of an arithmetic progression is 22. Suppose if it were third, sum of third means it would have been a plus 2d. Suppose if it were fifth term, a plus 4d. Fourth term means you have to reduce one less. Okay, 4 means 3d, second means 1d. One reduction you have to do. And sum of second is a plus d, fourth means a plus 3d, and this two sum is equals to what? 22. So this is what the first part of the question. We can still simplify this. A plus a, it is 2a, plus d plus 3d is 4d, that is equals to 22. Let this be as equation 1. Let me read out next part of the question. And sum of the first 11 terms is 253. Sum of first 11, sum means it is S11, sum means S, 11 terms means S11 is 253, means S11 is given as 253. Sum of 11 terms is equals to 253. And this sum formula we have. What is sum formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equals to 253. Here n is equals to 11 here, Sn, it is Sn means in the place of n it is 11. Let me write n is equals to 11. 11 by 2 into 2a plus 11 minus 1 into d is equals to 253. Now this 2 can be cross multiplied with 253. 11 into 2a plus 11 minus 1 is 10, 10d is equals to it is as good as 2 into 253. Let me multiply. 11 into 2a is 22a. 11 plus into plus is plus. 11 into 10 is 110. D is equals to 2 into 253 is, let us multiply. 2 3 is a 6, 2 5 is a 0, 1, 2 2 is a 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So what I have done here, 11 into 2a is 22a, 11 into 10d is 110, and 2 into 253, that cross multiplied term is the 2 into 253 is 506. So let me consider this as equation 2. Sorry. Now, so what all we have done up till now is that sum of second and the fourth term, means sum of second term is a plus d, fourth term is a plus 3d, sum is equals to what? 22. So this is equation 1. Next, sum of first 11 terms, 11 is given, so S11 is equals to what? 253. So this is what the question. Now using this Sn formula, we have written for S11, n by 2 is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In the place of n, it is 11. Now after all simplification, we got equation number 2. So this is what second and fourth term of an AP is 22. This is first part, first equation. Sum of first 11 terms, S11 is equal to 253. This is what? Second equation. Now we will go to the next part of the steps. Now we have to consider these two equations. Okay. Now we have to solve for A and D. Elimination method we have to use, and we have to solve, we have to take equation 1 and equation 2, and we have to solve A and D. So let me consider the two equations now. First equation is 2a plus 4d equals to, considering, let me write, considering 1 comma 2. One equation is 2a plus 4d is equals to 22. Next, second equation is 22a plus 110d is equals to 506. Now we will consider this first equation and we will multiply by 11. So why we have to multiply this equation by 11 means 11 2 is 22. So 22 and this 22 minus if you do, so a will cancel. Okay, so let us multiply that equation by 11. So if you multiply that equation by 11, 11 2 22a plus 11 4 44d is equals to, let us multiply 11 with 22, 11 2 22, 2 is here, again 11 2 22, 22 plus 2 is 24, it is 22 to 22, 24, correct it is. Now we will solve by elimination method these two equations. This has come over here, okay, this has come over here after multiplying 11 and this equation 2 as it is. Now if we solve this equation using elimination method, so here it is plus, it becomes minus, here it is plus, it is minus, here it is plus, it is minus. Now 22 will cancel, so 110 minus 44. So if we subtract 110 minus 44 value, so 110 minus 44, it is equals to 66D, that is equals to again 506 minus 242, that is equals to this minus this is 264. Now we can get D from this. D is equals to 264 by 66. Next let us cancel, 11 6 are 66, 11 2 are 22, 4 is remaining, 11 4 are 44, 6 1 are 6, 4 are, D is equals to 4. So D is equals to 4 we get. So now after calculating D, now we need to calculate A also. So we will consider the first equation, equation 1 to calculate A value. Already we calculated D as 4, let us substitute D is equal to 4 over here and let us try to calculate A. So considering, let me go take one more page, next page. So let me consider equation 1. What is that equation 1? Equation 1 is 2a plus 4d is equals to 22. Let me write once again. 2a plus 4d is equals to 22. Now we don't know the value of a, we have to find out, but the value of d is 4 here. 4 into 4 is equals to 22. So what we have done here, we have considered equation 1 to find a, okay, to find a, okay. D value, we found the D value as equals to 4, okay. Now 2a plus 16 is equals to 22. Let us transfer 16 to the other side, that becomes 22 minus 16, or 2a is equals to 22 minus 16 is 8. A is equals to, 22 minus 16 happens to be 6. So 2a, or 2a is equals to 6 it is, and our a is equals to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So a value also we found out. Now a is equals to 3. So D equals to 4, A is equals to 3. See, in the question he has asked, the first part of the question he has asked, what he has asked, find the AP, means arithmetic progression we have to find out, okay. So arithmetic progression, we have formula. So what is the AP formula? Arithmetic progression AP is equals to A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D. Now A we found that as 3 comma A is again 3 plus D is 4 comma 3 plus 2 into D is 2 into 4, that is equals to 3 comma 3 plus 4 is 7, again 3 plus 3 plus 2 4s are 8 it is. So AP arithmetic progression will be 3 comma 7 comma 3 plus 8 is 11. Okay, so this is the first part of the question. Okay, this is the first part of the question. So what we have done in the first part of the question here, so we have considered second and fourth term, we have calculated, we have made the equation 1, and S11 is equals to 53 253, that equation we have taken, and these two equations we got from the two conditions. Later we solved for A and D values, D value and next value is, considering equation 1 we found out A value. Okay, so by after getting D and A, the general form of arithmetic progression, this formula you have to remember, A comma A plus D A plus 2D. In this we have done substitution, A as 3 and D as 4, we got this arithmetic progression series. So in the next part of the video, we will go to the next part of the question. So after finding find the AP, next part of the question is, if the last term of it is 67, so last term is nothing but AN is equals to what, 67 given, and we have to find the number of terms. Number of terms means n equals to question mark, n is equals to question mark, and the last term it is represented by an is given, an equals to 67, and you have to find the number of terms means n equals to question mark. So in the next part of the question, let me write, so it's a lengthy problem. So here what he is asking us to find out, an is given, an is equals to what, 67 I feel, yes, an is equals to 67 he has given, and n is equals to number of terms, n is equals to question mark. Now we will use the an formula, it is the AP formula, arithmetic progression formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus n minus 1 into D here. An is given, an is nothing but 67 is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, here A and D values we know here. Let us try to substitute that A and D values. So A value is 3, we have found out already, so A and D value, A value as 3, D value as 4. Okay, let us substitute the same values. A is equals to 3 plus, so A is equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into D value is 4 here. So 67 is equals to 3 plus, let us multiply this, 4n minus 4 it is. Next 67 is equals to, so 3 minus 4 it is minus 1 plus 4n. Next, minus 1 if you transfer to the other side, that becomes 67 plus 1 is equals to 4n, or 68 is equals to 4n, or n is equals to 68 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 17 ja. So n is equals to 17. So number of terms that is asked in the question, that is n equals to 17. So thank you.